Hello everyone, welcome back to Sri Sai Degree College video classes at Ranasthalam. Today I am going to the extraordinary topic, the interpreter of Maladies, which was written by Jhumpa Lahiri. In this chapter, I am going to deal with the important parts of the four parts. I am dealing with the four parts in this chapter. The first one is about the author. The second one is about the theme. The third one, the important character in this short story. And the fourth one, the painful secret. First, let's look at the author, Jhumpa Lahiri. The interpreter of Maladies, which was written by Jhumpa Lahiri, she was born in America. She was Indo-American author. She was also Indo-American author. She was born Nilanjana Sudeshna, she was original name. She was born Nilanjana Sudeshna, but goes by her nickname Jhumpa Lahiri. She is daughter of Indian Bengali immigrants. The interpreter of Maladi was published in 1999 as a part of a collection of stories of the same name. So, the short story interpreter of Maladies is extract from a collection of book. The interpreter of Maladies has the same name, published in 1999. Her first collection of short stories, The Interpreter of Maladies, won the famous prize, Pulitzer Prize, in 2000 for fiction. What is the fiction? Fiction is creating the characters to make an historical story. Her first novel, she was not only the short story writer, but also the famous novelist, essayist also. Recently, her first novel, The Namesake, was adapted into the popular film of the same name. So, her first novel, The Namesake, was adapted the popular film of the same name in Bollywood. Now, the interpreter of Maladies, author describes to the topic, tell us about a day during an Indian American family vacation in India. The Indian American origin couple during one day visiting in India. They were born in America, raised in America, but their parents live in India. Every couple of years they were visiting in India. Now the author described their characters like they were wearing dresses like Americans, but they like food in India. The interpreter of Maladies tells us about a day during an Indian American family vacation in India, the interpret, the one day particular. So just now the author wants to describe the title and justification of the title, a day during Indian American families vacation in India. Now we look at the title, the interpreter. What is the interpreter? Interpreter is translator. Interpreter means translator of malady. Malady means the patient's psychological diseases or problems or psychological crisis or mental crisis. Their problems, the patients, their problems. Explain to what the patients say to interpret to the doctor. Here the author created a excellent and extraordinary character like Mr. Kapasi. In this short story, the author describes the Mr. Kapasi's character is justification of the title, the interpreter of maladies. Now, the second one, let's look at the about the theme. Let's look at the about the. So, first I am telling in this short story, I am dealing with the four important parts. Like the first one is about the author. Do you know the author's original name is Nilanjana Sudeshna? Nilanjana Sudeshna. But the author well known her nickname Jhumpa Lahari. So first important topic. The second one about the theme. What is the about the theme is especially in this theme major part is communication failure. Communication failure. The story presents the amalgamation of Western and Eastern culture. Amalgamation. What is the amalgamation? Amalgamation. Amalgamation is mixed two different cultures. Two different cultures. The story presents the amalgamations of Western and Eastern culture. The first one is Western culture and the second one is Eastern culture. The 9 stories of the collection, The Interpreter of Maladies, revolve around Indians and Indian Americans, reflecting their attempts to bridge the gap between the two cultures. So, reflects and revolve around the Indian and Indian Americans, reflecting their attempts to bridge the gap. Their attempts to bridge the gap between the two cultures. The two cultures. One is Western culture and another one is Eastern culture. So, next, the importance of the theme also culture, marriage and family values are the major theme in this short story. So, here the writer creates two different families, like one is Mr. Das and Mrs. Das, then the second one is Mr. Kapasi and Mrs. Kapasi. Two different families, their problems. The major theme is communication failure, their families, their couples. So, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das also one of the major failure communication, the clear breakdown. And other one is Mr. Kapasi also. The Mr. Kapasi family also face the communication failure. There are two families representing different social, culture and economic backgrounds. Failure of communication is another major theme. Failure of communication is another major theme. There is a clear breakdown of communication between Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Failure of communication leads to the birth of a children. The main thing, the failure of communication, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das leads birth of a children of an illicit love making. This is the most important thing. The illicit love making, the birth of the children is called Bobby's, the younger son of the Mr. and Mrs. Das. Failure of communication leads to loveless conjugal life for both Das and family. For both the Das and Kapasi's family. Now, the next, the third importance of the author describes the important characters, like in this short story. First one, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. The second one, Mr. Kapasi and Mrs. Kapasi. Two families. First character, Mr. Das. The second character, Mrs. Das. The third character, Mr. Kapasi. And the important characters also like the Mr. Das and Mrs. Das with their three children. Ronnie, Bobby and Tina is another major important characters. So now let's look at the characters in this short story. The important and major characters. In this short story, the first and the important character, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Mr. Das and Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. Das are an Indian origin American couple. They are dressed like Americans, but they like Indian food. They dress like Americans, but they like Indian food. Here, the author wants to describe the amalgamation of the two different cultures. One is Americans, the other one is Indians, native Indians culture, native Indian traditional culture. To importance of the why, because the author described the Indians and American. She was also born in Indian immigrant family. They have been born and raised in America. Who are they? Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Their parents now live in India. Their parents, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Mr. Das' parents live in India. That is the reason of the American couple visiting in India every couple of years. That is the main reason to Mr. Das and Mrs. Das coming to the India. Their parents now live in India. They visit India every couple of years with their three children. The most important, another important characters, their children's. The one-day vacation in India, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das visiting with their children coming in India. Their parents now live in India. They visit India every couple of years with their three children. Mr. Das is the husband of Mrs. Das, a middle school science teacher. Mr. Das was working as a teacher in New Jersey, working as a middle school science teacher. So he was working as a teacher in New Jersey. So the other and the protagonistic character like Mr. Kapasi. The Mr. Kapasi character is most important in this short story. So he was a protagonist of in this short story. The author described and justification of the interpreter of the Maladies, the interpreter of Maladies character, Mr. Kapasi. Mr. Kapasi was the interpreter in this short story. Who is Mr. Kapasi? Kapasi was an interpreter in this short story, and also during weekends, he working as a tour guide also. So Mr. and Mrs. Das, first important character. The second one is the major character and protagonist character like Mr. Kapasi. Central conflict of this story is Mr. Kapasi's negative view of his life and unhappiness towards his job and wife. This is the most major theme. And the important character, Mr. Kapasi, the protagonist, a 46-year-old tour guide working in India. So, who is Mr. Kapasi? Mr. Kapasi was a tour guide, and he was also protagonist in this short story, and also working as an interpreter with a doctor. So, the main role in this short story, tour guide, who accompanies the Das family as a sightseeing trip to the Sun Temple, Konark in Odisha state. So the Indian American origin couple visiting the one-day vacation trip, Konark Temple, and the Kapasi accompanies the Das family as a sightseeing trip to the Sun Temple as a tour guide. Here, works with a doctor as an interpreter of maladies. The author describes the main role of the interpreter of maladies. Who is the interpreter? Kapasi. What is the maladies? Maladies is patient's psychological problems and crisis and diseases. So, here the justification of the title, he worked with a doctor as an interpreter of maladies. The patients are Gujaratis. Especially, what is the interpreter? Interpreter is a translator. Especially translator to one language to another language. Kapasi knows very well in so many languages. One is the English is very well, and other one is the Gujarati. So, the patients are Gujaratis. The doctor does not know Gujarati. Here, the doctor does not know Gujarati, but Kapasi knows Gujarati well. And then the doctor asks him to work as an interpreter. He interprets what the patients say. This is the main reason of the Kapasi as working as an interpreter in the doctor with the doctor. So he worked as a tour guide during weekends. The most important character, the entire story revolves around the Mr. Kapasi's characters. So that is the reason of he was protagonist in this short story. Jhumpa Lahiri explain and justification and the title, the interpreter of maladies is, the main character is Kapasi. So the third one and important, the next one, the painful secret in this story also important in this short story, the interpreter of maladies. What is the painful secret? So what is the painful secret in this short story? Here and then explain about the painful secret with conversation between Mr. Kapasi and Mrs. Das. This is the another major part of in this short story.